Geoff Walsh. I'm the Director of Capital Estates and Facilities, and on this project I'm the Project Director. As a Project Director, I've been responsible for the delivery of the project from its inception to completion, and I'm particularly relating to responsible for the design team and the tendering process and then the construction. I think the quality of the building is one thing. I think it's built on an elevated site which gives us some tremendous views from particularly the back of the building, and those are an impressive building. It's the first building I've been involved with which has used so much technology in building in terms of off-site construction, which has reduced the programme significantly, which is the way forward. I think the fact that we've got there's integration with the rest of the site. I think it's the outdoor spaces, considering it's on an acute site, has been well planned. And the single rooms, I think, gives the patient some privacy.